Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Honda Fit stereo. First, let's prepare by gathering our essential tools. You will need a plastic trim removal tool, which is crucial for safely prying panels without causing scratches or damage. Also, have a Phillips head screwdriver handy, as it will be used for several fasteners. Keeping a small container nearby for screws will help you stay organized throughout the process. Now, let's move on to removing the dashboard trim panels. Begin by carefully inserting your plastic trim removal tool into the seams around the stereo area. Gently pry the panels away from the dashboard. You will hear the clips disengage. Take your time and work slowly around the entire edge of each panel to ensure no plastic tabs are broken during this step. This careful approach prevents unnecessary damage. With the trim panels now removed, the stereo unit's mounting screws should be visible. You will typically find 4 Phillips head screws holding the stereo firmly in its position. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully loosen and remove each of these screws. As you remove them, immediately place them into your small container. This simple step prevents lost hardware and makes reassembly much easier later on. Finally, it's time to disconnect and extract the stereo unit. Gently pull the stereo forward from the dashboard just enough to access the rear connections. You will see several electrical wiring harnesses and 1 antenna cable. Carefully press the release tabs and disconnect each one. Once all connections are completely free, you can fully slide the stereo unit out of its opening. Congratulations, you have successfully removed your Honda Fit stereo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.